I will talk about how can you disable story mentions notifications on your Twitch app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on profile down here. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. Click here on account. Sorry, we will go back here. So then here you click here on account settings. It's going to take you to this list. Click here on notification. Click on notifications here. You click here on mobile. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here story mentions. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means story mentions notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.